Welcome to my Valentine's Clean and Decorate with me. As you can see behind me, I do not have a lot of Valentine's decoration. I have some from last year and a little bit from this year, but they just didn't have a lot in the stores this year. That's okay. I'm still gonna make it as fast as I can. I'm just gonna be decorating here in the kitchen, my dining room, and in the living room, and I'm just gonna bring you along with me. It's just gonna be just a little bit of touches of Valentine's, not too much, but I do like to decorate because I have two girls. If you guys are new here, they're 13 and 10, and they just love when I decorate for the season. So I just want to bring you guys along, and I hope that you enjoy. Everything that I have is from Target Dollar Spot, or Hobby Lobby. That's pretty much it. So let's get started.
We grow old, please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire.
I'm actually going to be starting in my coffee bar area. I have that espresso machine, which we actually don't hardly use. So I'm just gonna put this underneath the counter here. And then I'm gonna do some cleaning. I just purchased this new product. It's called Good Pure Joy, and it's all natural, and it's an all-purpose cleaner. It smells so good. It has eucalyptus in it, and what is it? Oh my goodness, y'all, I'm sorry, I don't have the product in front of me. Lavender, that's what it is, lavender. And I found this at a new store that I went to called Pop Shelf. If you guys have ever been there, it is a super cute store. So yeah, I really like the spray that I'm using. And right here you see that I'm using this sign. It says coffee bar. And I got this at the Target Dollar Spot, as well as these heart risers. I have to keep my frother up no matter what, so I'm gonna plug this up and try to put this somewhere cute in here and just start decorating. You will see me move some things around, but that just comes with the decorating, especially when this is my first time and I have no idea what I was going to be doing.
I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you. I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
While I was at Target, I saw this cute Valentine display of M&M's, Twix, and Snickers, which are me and my girls' favorite candies. So I just thought that would be super cute in a clear container. So guys, that's such a good idea. If you want to decorate for Valentine's and you don't have much, go get some cute little Valentine's candy or some cute cookies or cupcakes. Throw them in a cake stand, just little things like that. Add so much to your kitchen and get you into the Valentine's mood here. And then I also got these Starbursts, which are my favorite as well, and I loved the colors that it came in. So I thought that would be perfect for the coffee bar area. And of course, I do have a little bit of OCD, so when I saw the yellow, I had to immediately take those out.
Something knocked you out. You felt your limitations and filled your mind with doubt. You wanna stay chill right now and don't let your eyes off the prize. I know you want it to be easy. I said. See it in your mind, trust that.
Now moving over to this little corner, I knew I pretty much wanted to kind of keep it the same way, and then I found some popsicles that it looks like my daughter was trying to hide from my other child. But I went ahead and put that in the candy dish over in the coffee bar. But I pretty much just changed out the candle to this love candle. It's a threshold candle from Target. It was $10. And today was my first day lighting it, and it actually does smell up the whole kitchen, so highly recommend it. And then I put this heart-shaped something, I don't know, it's made from wood, I got from Hobby Lobby in here, and then voila, that was the ending of that corner. I know I needed to clean off of this island, and then I'm going to put my flowers that I bought myself in a vase. I'm so excited about these roses. They were actually on sale for $7 at Kroger, which I was totally surprised by. It was a whole dozen of roses, and they're really, really pretty. So I was like, I'll just make them a centerpiece for my island. So that's what I'm going to do.
But you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like, oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah.
While I was at Kroger, I did see this aloe plant, and I was like, oh, it's so cute. And I remembered I had a pink little planter at home, so I thought that'd be perfect for Valentine's as well. Plus, I love aloe vera plants for burns and bug bites. I found that you can use it for a sore throat, so love aloe plants. And now I'm going to refill my hand soap and dish soap with the Everspring lemon smell, which smells so good and lemony. I know it's not Valentine's, but it was on sale, like $2.99. So love it, love the smell. And this is when I'm just doing just a little light wash on my dishes before I put them in the dishwasher. I will use this dish soap, but if I'm doing a heavy duty dishwashing, like hand washing, I will use my Dawn Power Wash.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves.
Alright, now moving into the living room, and if you guys are enjoying, please give me a thumbs up right now. That lets me know that you are loving this. But I got this garland from Hobby Lobby, and normally I would put this on my fireplace, but I'm loving the kind of greenery vibe I have going on right now. If you were here a few videos back, I mentioned that I was looking for a wreath to continue to hang on the mirror because I love the wreath from Christmas, and I actually found one that's hanging up there now. I found it at Target. It was the Joanna Gaines thing. I think it's Hearth in Hand or whatnot. Yeah, sorry, I had to take off running because I'm still working during this day. But I did come back and continue recording. I have this love sign that I got from Hobby Lobby that I wanted to put on the fireplace. I really wanted to keep it simple up here, but I love how the love sign is in front of me and my husband because that is true love right there, and I thought it was a perfect place for it.
Make her feel better, and that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
Y'all, I had no idea what I was going to do with this middle part, but I made it work. I just was thinking about the three item rule and made it work. But be sure to stick around to the end so you can see close-ups of all the decorations here. And I just threw that plant into this love cup, and voila, there we go there. I'm going to fluff out these pillows and then go into my wine area room.
I know I messed up. Yeah, I know I did you wrong. But I learned my lesson. Now what if we could move on? Remember the good days. I wish that we could go back.
Now moving into my entryway area, I am so excited to show you guys my roses from Rose Forever. Look at how beautiful they are. This blue is beautiful. It's breathtaking. Like, it goes perfect in my wine area room. And the simple fact that these are real roses that can last a year. You don't have to water them. They stay perfect just the way they are. You don't have to do any maintenance. I love this clear container that it comes in because it has a drawer, and this is where I keep my lighter and candle supplies. It also comes in all kinds of boxes. They have heart-shaped boxes, round boxes, square boxes. They're all different textures. They have velvet, suede, marble, and of course my crystal box, which I love so much. They can be found in different sizes from 9 to 49 roses, and right now they are giving away $20 off. All you have to do is use my code ROSESMITH20 and you'll be able to get that discount. This is perfect for Valentine's Day. If you order now, you will be receiving it before Valentine's Day. The roses are vegan and allergy free, and they do deliver worldwide. So be sure to check out my description box below for the details and to order. But now I'm going to go ahead and add this candle up here and a little house that says home is where the heart is, which is so true. And I purchased this from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, but I looked this year and they still have it there. So now we're going to move to the front door, and I am going to hang up my Valentine wood hangy wreath majiggy, which I purchased that when it was on sale. I got it for like $3 after Valentine's Day. So if you need to get any type of supplies after the season, is the best time to get it because this was about 90% off. and I have had it for about 3 years, and I just love it. I love the way it makes my door look, and it just lets everybody know that we are in the Valentine's love spirit in this house. I went to go make sure that it was even, and then I need to go close the door, and then that's when I realized that I had put the wreath holder upside down. So now I'm going to take it back down and then hang it the correct way. I love this clear wreath holder too. I got this from Dollar Tree. So it has withstand so many wreaths. There's my oldest daughter Lonnie. She just came home from school, giving Mommy some loving, and as you can see her face when she walked in, that's why I do this, because she really loved it. She had already seen the kitchen and everything, so this is the reason why I do what I do. But guys, I'm showing you the close-ups of everything. I hope you have enjoyed. I'm so glad that you are here with me. Do not forget to subscribe and push the thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you are new. I would love to say hello, and I would love to have you a part of my YouTube family. I will see you guys in the next one, and once again, thank you guys so much for being here. I hope you enjoyed.
You want some love me like when you feel caught in midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go?